established institution. Today we're going to learn how to pass entry of POS to Tally ERP 9. We know in this era of digitization, our honorable government of India is very eager to make cashless economy. As we are citizen of India, this is our responsibility to accept and maintain this new institution in Indian digital marketing system. As POS is an important component of digital payment system, which is a part of digital marketing system, so we have to be updated with this new system. Frankly speaking, guys, when we're at a restaurant or shop and make purchase, then we see that merchants are typically using a POS to complete or sales transactions. When there is a transaction, then definitely there is a requirement of there is a requirement of bookkeeping. For bookkeeping, there is the requirement of an accounting software. Here we have chosen one accounting software, that is Tally ERP 9. Today we are going to learn how to pass entry of POS to Tally ERP 9. Before passing entry, we have to create one new voucher type. For creating new voucher type, we have to go get your Tally. From there, we have to select accounts info under the head of masters. From there, we have to select voucher types, and to create new voucher type, we have to select create. Following window opens up, and here we have to give POS name. Let us suppose we are giving POS name. Let us suppose we are giving name is POS, and we have to select type of voucher, that is mother voucher type. If we look upon the abbreviation of POS, that is point of sale. Here quote unquote sale is existing, that's why we have understood that the mode of transactions is sale in case of POS. So select sales. Abbreviation has come automatically by default. Method of voucher numbering, we are taking automatic. Some of the features will not be enabled, that's why we are skipping them. Directly we're going to print voucher after saving under the printing head. Enable this option. Use for POS invoicing, it will also enable. And side by side we can give here two messages horizontally, which will be appeared in the tax invoice, hard copy of the tax invoices. So please give two messages. Let us suppose we are giving first message thanking you. Second message we are giving visitors again. Pardon please. Default title to print, we can give here one default print title. Suppose we are giving POS tax invoice. Pardon please. Set auto declaration. If you have any declaration in your own words, then by enabling this option you can give here, and otherwise Tally had already given one declaration. We are taking this. We must have to give name of class, because of under one POS voucher type we can use different POS class based on their different features. So let us suppose we are giving one POS class name, that is POS 1. Following window opens up, and here at the top of the main configuration screen we're watching that some of that modern and traditional mode of transactions are available. If your shop accepts gift voucher, then definitely enable it, and after that keep it not applicable for make it common. Credit card, debit card payment system, enable it if your shop accepts debit card or debit card or credit card. If your shop accepts, then definitely enable it, and for keep it common, same as above, not applicable. Check or DD, I mean to say that DD means demand draft. If your shop accepts, then enable it, otherwise disable it by keeping no. And traditional mode of transaction, that is cash, it will be enabled, and here we can give ledger name, specify ledger name, that is cash. Default accounting allocation for all the items in invoice, I mean to say that here we have to select sales account as mother ledger, because all the items will be allocated through sales ledger. So here select sales account. Set auto tax classes, it will be enabled, and select, pardon please, sorry, enable this and select sales taxable from drop down list. Default accounting allocation for stock item, our recommendation to you, keep it no, because if you enable this option, then your POS class will be specified. For make this POS class common, please keep it disable. Additional accounting entries. Additional accounting entries means entries for taxes, entries for other charges. We can give here. For taxes, we are giving CGST, SGST for intrastate transactions, and IGST if any for interstate transaction, IGST. And for other charges, we are giving packing charges. And calculation method, we are selecting from drop down based on quantity. Per quantity, packing charges will be charged 10 per quantity, not applicable. Configuration of POS has been just completed and accept this. For passing entry of POS, go back to Get Your Tally. From there we have to select accounting vouchers under the head of transaction for passing entry of POS. Press F8 on your keyboard. Select POS from drop down list and also select POS class. Give the party name. Let us suppose Mr. X is purchasing book. Mr. X is purchasing 10 books at the rate of rupees 100. And please, that is matter of notice that CGST, SGST, IGST and packing charges, I mean to say that ledgers for taxes and other charges has come automatically by default, and packing charges has been come automatically as we given at the time of configuration. Per quantity 10 rupees has been calculated as packing charges based on their quantity. Point to be noted that at the time of passing entry of POS sale bill, receipt entry is passing as well. At the bottom of the screen, we are looking at gift voucher. First of all, please notice that payable amount is, receivable amount is 12,980. Out of 12,980, your customer is paying, let us suppose, 80 rupees through XYZ gift voucher. Pardon please. Through SBI debit card, your customer is paying 12,000. Balance of receivable, card number we have to give here. Randomly we are giving one card number. Through cash, your customer should pay 900, but your customer has given you rounded off figure 2,000 rupees note. You should refund 1,100. It is balance and accept. Before print the tax invoice, please change one feature, one configure. You have to configure one thing for sake of the debit card or credit card numbers privacy. Press F12 on your keyboard and go to print card check or card number. It will be yes, but disable, we have to disable print whole card number. It will be disabled for the sake of privacy of the card holder, because by disabling this option, other than last 4 digits, all the digits of card number will be invisible in the tax hard copy of the tax invoices. And print yes. That is the print preview of the tax invoices. Let us see now that reflection of the changes. Default print title as we given POS tax invoice, it has come here. And also 2 messages we give at the time of configuration. These have also appeared here. At the bottom of the hard copy, reflection of the two messages we are watching. Thanking you first message and second message. Visit us again. And also other than last 4 digits, all card number are invisible to us for the sake of card holder privacy of the card holders. That is the today's tutorial we have just completed, and our kind request to you, if you kindly subscribe, then we will get encourage from you, and also if you want to get notification of our upcoming videos, please press the bell icon. And if you like our video, please press the thumbs up icon. And also we should be highly grateful to you if you press dislike icon if you dislike our video, because by you disliking feedback, we should understand that you have not understood or you have not satisfied by our presentation. So we will try to improve ourselves. Peace.